like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain.
Come on. Today I'll be doing a butter shrimp. Yes, a butter shrimp. No extraordinary prep. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. As you can see, this is one stick of butter that I put in here. Alright, so now I'm going to add my garlic. That's the first thing I'm going to do. Add my garlic. You're watching. Put some onions in. Some tomatoes. Some tomatoes in here. You're watching I Am Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube. These are plum tomatoes. Yes, these are called plum tomatoes. Or cherry tomatoes. ButterShrimp. Alright, I'm gonna add my Sazon. Next, add my shrimps. Add my jumbo shrimps. You're watching 832. on the YouTube. Alright, I'm going to add some individual seasoning. I'm going to add some Maggie. I'm going to add my all-purpose. Black pepper. Next, I'm going to add some garlic powder. Even though I put fresh garlic, I just put some garlic powder. And also onion powder. And some sea salt. Alright, you're watching I am CheeseMasala cooking. Alright, so now I'm going to stir this up. In a short while, you're going to find a whole lot of liquid in here. Yes, and all that liquid will be coming from the shrimps. All that liquid will be coming from the shrimps. You're watching I am Winston GeL cooking. 832. Alright, so this is my jumbo shrimps. My jumbo shrimps, they'll be shrunk to medium-sized shrimp. Alright, so cover it halfway. Alright, just add some scallion in here. Thyme. Alright. Alright, I'm going to put some hot Scotch Bonnet Pepper. Yes, this is hot, very spicy. Alright, so this is going in. And you'll see this on the Winston GeL cooking on the YouTube platform. Alright, I'm going to add my bell peppers and the butter shrimps. And you're watching I am Winston GeL cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. You see this in my cooking live on the I am Winston GeL cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Yep. You're watching I am Winston GeL cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. This is my butter shrimps. Yes, that is not oil. That is all liquid, all water from the shrimp. Yes. So these jumbo shrimps are now being reduced in size. Alright. So I'm going to taste it and see how it tastes. See if I need to add any more seasoning in. Actually, it doesn't need any. Just a little bit more. I'm going to put some powder seasoning. Yes. Any powder seasoning to your delight. Anything that you like as spice to give it some extra design, some extra taste, you can do that. Alright, just In every region we have something different, but I'm using chicken spice just in case you want to know. Yes, I'm using chicken spice. So basically, this is ready. Just gonna let it dry down a little bit, and then turn the fire off. You're watching. I am Winston GeL Cooking. 3-2 on the YouTube platform. I'm doing ButterShrimps. Yes, and this is done. Alright, in the butter shrimp, I'm going to add some cheese. Yes, I have cheese. I'm going to add some cheese. Yes, add some cheese. You're watching. 832. Add some cheese in it. Mozzarella cheese. Butter shrimps with mozzarella cheese. Butter shrimps with mozzarella cheese. Yes, butter shrimps with mozzarella cheese. And you'll see this on the Thyme Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Bubbling, and you'll see this on the Thyme Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Yes, and it tastes very delicious. And you'll see this on the Thyme Winston GeL Cooking 832 on the YouTube platform. Winston GeL Cooking 832 on YouTube platform. Alright, she's ready. Yes, she's ready. She's ready.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in us. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up. Tonight we gonna light it up. Tonight we gonna light it up. Just like the sunrise, we gonna light it up. just like a spark that's breaking